Shane. What's up? Yeah.
Making Your Dreams Come True from Hall & Oates is playing. I don't know if you could hear it well, but this right here is the fourth and final elevator at the Student Rec Center. This one is a Kone EcoDisc from 2016, or EcoSpace machine room-less traction elevator. I think the Dover elevators have made my dreams come true. Looks like that emergency call button's been replaced with a ThyssenKrupp Aurora. This one's a lot taller. KSS 570 fixtures. And that makes my dream come true of all 4 elevator cars at the Student Rec Center, including a brand new Kone elevator. I'm sorry about my voice not sounding right because I just recovered from allergies, so I apologize. But anyways, thanks for watching, and that'll be it.